good, man? It's your dog, it's your boy MJ back again with another video. Today we have the most feared rugby team in the world. The first one I reacted to, it was the South African Springboks, I believe. I hope I said that right. I just know it was the Springboks for sure. Now we got the All Blacks. Every single highlight video I've seen of the All Blacks and the South African Springboks, I think, are the best two teams in rugby union. I believe this is the league. All right. I believe I'm about to see some dogs in here. We seen some dogs in the last video we watched with the most feared team. So shout out to Damien, by the way. This is his recommendation. Shout out to you. If you have any recommendations, go ahead. Don't forget, the link to my Discord is in the description. Go ahead, follow it, and drop your video. But without further ado, let's see what these blacks talking about, man. They lit. Hey! Folded his ass. Hey, first clip. They already folded motherfucker. Can't wait for that shit. Sleep. I'm trying to tell you, bro. These blacks like that, dog. Hey, he a little loco. He got a little crazy in him. Is this against the Springboks? Get up. Keep it pushing. Get up. Keep it pushing. And they got the music going too. You can tell these boys like contact. These boys love contact. Baby. I was about to say, I noticed that my dog Chester and Kobe going out like that. Boom! God damn! Hey! Hold on. Yeah, let me see it. Let me see that again. Let me see that again. I want to see this angle right here. Get the fuck off me, bro. In with the try. Finish with the try too, nigga. I likes it. Nice step. These boys physical, man. These boys trying to run through you before they run around you. Them boys trying to run through a nigga. Straight through your chest, too. That's a nice little dude. Good fake. Great pass. Come on, 11. That weak. Get up. 11 weak as shit. Good pass. With the try too, I like the behind the back. Behind the back's tough. The no look too. He didn't even look with it. He didn't even look with it. These blacks tough. 11 bowling ball. Get off me. Contact. Look at this. Look at the motor. Look at the motor! Everybody stop. Look at everybody stop. No, the play is not over. The play is not over. Play is not dead. Once again takes it quickly because he senses it's on out there. Press. Get it out of there. 11, we can say that. Taken by the cover. 11 stay getting tackled. After whoever passed on the ball getting off. Runs into a big hole. Riding the tackles, and then throws on what a sensational. He runs like sloppy. He runs like a big boy. Get up in there. Good hits. Look at the form, too. Got him fucked up.
It's New Zealand kicking off. An early touch. It's New Zealand kicking off.
Goodness. Look how they form high-low. The high-low is crazy. Is that illegal? Because I tell you what, going high-low is fucking illegal over here. Or blocking-wise. You can't block high-low. Goodbye. These boys tough, man. God damn. Bro, he didn't even feel him. Ran straight through his chest, bro. Knees up. No momentum lost. They are violating some of these dudes in the highlights. You got a damn family in the stands, man. You like that? I fuck with him. I gotta figure out who that is. I like that 11. They got two 11s that look like. He tough. Them legs going. Good pass. He got some short ass strides. Look like he's a little taller running. Good hit. A little mini dunk.
Went down the back to Akira Barrett, stepping and breaking into some space. Still on his feet. Rico Ioane.
God damn, man. It seems like everybody around has some type of physicality on the team, man. Everybody want contact. What the hell he got in his ear? Is that a band-aid? He probably got expensive.
George Bauer on field 17. Little kick into space. Jordan's after it.
Do something with it. Good stab. Hey, I like that. As soon as he caught the ball, boom! Got his ass. Hey, that was tough. As soon as he got that motherfucker, he knew what to do with it.
Little kick into space.
This is a great try right here, bro. Great fucking play. Great way to finish, too. Finish the run. Finish the play. Catch on you. Boom. It's tough.
Quickly through the hands, two passes,
Bowling ball. Freight train. Freight train. I fought with Caleb too. I fought with him heavy. Good defense. I thought he was gonna get that ball out. Oh, he saved a try.
6.5 remaining.
Look at him, bro. Look how physical they are. He got some big ass legs.
Been a few years though. Yeah. Jordy Barrett. Dribbles it through. Here's Reese. Now, can he win the race? I reckon.
Kicks, keeps it in bounds to himself and gets the try. That was a tough ass play. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. He kicked it while it was in the air too. He kicked it off the bounce. He kicked it off the bounce. That's tough. That's tough. Kicking that shit off the bounce is wild. Get into it. Put his finger in his face. The boy don't want to smoke for it. Out of there. I like the chemistry. I like the chemistry. I like the chemistry. Before they don't give it back. There you go. I like the chemistry. Everybody, low key. It looked like everybody touched the footy right there, bro. I could be wrong. 1, 2. Yo, everybody probably touched it. Alright, maybe, hold on. It probably skipped like 2 people, but most of everybody touched the damn footy in that play, in that whole sequence. That's tough. Now that I think about it, I don't think I've seen too many tries where every player on the team has touched it. Oh, shit. Hey, them boys be coming down. They don't be thinking twice. Arm tackles not gonna get it done. Them arm tackles not gonna get the job done, boy. These boys break so many tackles, it's crazy. Hit that nigga with a 1, 2, 3, 4. Good night. Night night. These boys putting niggas to sleep on the offensive side on the ball, bro. Like how his body just go limp. Nigga is passed out on the field. Bro, let's go back to this little 1, 2, 3, 4 number 12 was doing real quick. His big ass trying to look a little shifty. I fuck with that. Hey, respect to whoever that was coming down, but come on, man. Love that chip. Them boys love that chip. Good cut. Good job standing up. Keep your balance. Up out of there. Bro, they're running through so many niggas. And it's everybody too. It's not just one person on the team. Everybody is running through someone. Here they go. Look at the chemistry. Woo! Okay. I like it. Big dog, get up in there, man. Get up in there. Oh, shit.
He's got good taste, Tom Banks. Still good.
I think this is so tough. This is tough as hell. I still don't understand it that much. But everything was crazy as hell. Go ahead. I like that scrum. That scrum is tough as hell, man. I think that's what you call it.
in territory. Turned against the ground. Finds Rich. Cuts it out back in. Slams it off the ball and slip.
That's good. Get up in there. Get up in there. Hey. Fight, fight. Get up in there. Smooth as hell. I see you, 10. Good. He just, hey. He had no more room on the sideline, dog. He had no more room, bro. The only choice he had was to go north. And he went straight through his chest. Straight through him, bro. Looking for head down, dog. Do you see this? My dog's feet are off the ground right here, bro. Throwing his body all in his chest, nigga. He's giving him all he can take, nigga. And then some.
He's turned down the fence. Good starting scrum. Gets it up to Jordan now. Feeds out to Julian Zambia.
He's black stuff, bro.
Again. Just over Jordan. Just on his own side of halfway. Been really good, Will Jordan. Now he tries to do it himself.
And you just passing everybody too.
It does. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
Hey, man. Damien, shout out to you. That was a great video, man. I appreciate it. Shout out to y'all for pulling up. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.